see ya. If me whether flip money for tabletop, if you say be fraud, your mother. See ya. Why this guy there? I won't see the man who talk that thing. That man, the day I go GRA for the day. See ya. Paying for elect minister. This one. So nonsense thing they do for this country. I won't get that guy. I'll come. King Swan G. Who be that guy? I won't make. If somebody know for the comments, I see the person name. See, Hijab Shatta Wale or something. Okay, King Swan TV, I see him. Thank you. Okay, this guy. Make people listen to this guy. Hey, Charlie, villager.
I'll just invite you to come and
big man, we no get sense.
On social media, showing people, this is my Rolls Royce. Do you know how much a Rolls Royce costs? If I were working at GR.
See, poor man. They ask somebody, say, do you know how much a Rolls Royce costs? He be this man. What be name? Tell me, man. Johnny. We defeat the idea. Will be on Johnny. Johnny. Wife in crime say with me. Johnny wife on say with me. Asɛm will be as long as the kebi. Who sell you to come and talk Shatta Wale matter? You be musician or you play beat or you do something for Shatta Wale. I be you be Shatta movement. You be Shatta. Hey Johnny. Wife try to say Johnny no kwasia. We are boy we are kwasia. We are opening bubu. We are opening kwasia. What me? You it be simple. You go tell GRA. Make GRA. I said GRA. If you get there, write paper. Say you okay? You am going go for my Rolls Royce. I want make you a Ghana go competition. Bad man, me the work with God. The God is here. I no be dirty people like the way you most of you Ghanaians today. I go shock you, I go shock you. Your mother, man for sick for this country for over 25 years. There I go to work for ground because that be how they norm the every musician after music you have to be poor. Who tell you say musician be poor? Who tell you people? But Ghana for generations. If I they talk, then some days they want to talk. Recently, shout to Honorable Dr. His Excellency President Konimo. See what the man talk. You know, touch many of you your hearts because why he forgot Shatta Wale and why Konimo forgot Shatta Wale. Shatta there on this one. No, Konimo sees that I am fighting for the music industry to be better and not for myself alone, but for the generation and generations to come. Wasiya, Johnny, somebody Johnny. They can't they say, if I want to explain, who tells you how they explain something? You think I get time to come explain for you? The nonsense people they do as they catch Kofi boat, where everybody they tag, then they put my picture. FBI check Shatta Wale. Charlie, how many years people go to do this? Since I can't rent for East Legon, if I buy car, if I buy car, Sakawa, you people know this is how they play shows. But mommy, I play shows past your artists off for this countryside. Any four corners of Ghana have been there. You have not been anywhere in Ghana. Don't even you fuck yourself up because I will fuck you up because your mother fuck you. That be I go fuck you up. What nonsense with this? What nonsense with this? If your stars that you have from generations don't have the mindset I have, don't come and fight me. I'll fight you. If you come and fight me, I'll fight you and I'll win. Make the whole Ghana. If like me the whole Ghana, make they go do ballots for my Rolls Royce. Hey. But my mobile work Ghana. And this thing they talk. If GRA say one tribe, I want the president of Ghana make it sign too. The president of Ghana, he go sign for my Rolls Royce. The president of Ghana must sign. Say if they check and they see my money be clean, where it be music money, they go pay me $1 billion. I don't have time to waste time and go court and those kind of things. So me, I don't have time. I get plenty judges where if people take go court, the judges they did a call, they say, "Now kwasi Asɛm kwa beni na Asɛm where all this Shatta na here there." Because a person come and the judges and lawyers of Ghana, they see those things. Plenty of the judges did my fans, plenty of them, they did it. They see. Which stupid matter be this? Somebody buying car. Shatta Wale, we know I'm from bandana. People where they know me from doggy, come bandana. They know my hustle. You think I can buy a Rolls Royce? You think I can afford a Lamborghini? But my just say we no laugh like that time. Mind they get money, man they set up himself. It's about time to buy cars. I've played shows too much and I've saved money to buy houses. Now it's about time for me to relax and chill. That's why you're seeing the pictures, everything. The house they from them. My father no ever talk $1 million for them. For that boy as Sharaf self come with, he come do this thing. Plenty people the father bad man. The father build in future. So if your father can't chop president, you see any nonsense thing where he begins go do, you know because you know work in father work. They see in father from when they went for ministries and whatever and come chop vice president, before can't chop president. They see, so when Sharaf they do this here, so that we say like, actually we say we get father like that because Charlie the guy, but he be show the thing for day. He will show it for day. So if you blame Sharaf, you say your mother. Because who mami no papa, or mom Bobra. Say who mami Bobranka go, who papa a minister for God affairs. Who chem kasa mami no papa Bobranka and kasa say who mami a minister of Inkasi affairs. Abua and come mami or te gobe ho now your friend area minister for gobe people. Abua we Jimmy papa kwa say mu chem kwa sempe ni for Jimmy mo country mu. Say oh big man, I say he get kiddy. Wait can they? Oh Shatta Wale, he doesn't have to. Gh has to call. Gh has to call on your cutter. Oh papa toto me, oh mami toto mo. Unya egbe mo, unya iso mo, unya cha. Unya what's ya? Gh for call time what's ya? Go ask Ecobank. I dey give people. Go Ecobank. Go Ecobank. If you want check out about the resources, go Ecobank. What's ya? A boy. The time banana they suffer when why Gh no come chase me? A boy. That time I had the place show a boy. People did if you say go feel raise some things and things. Then they catch somebody there, everybody and go and arrest Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale, hey, if he's a reform boy, you see the way Shatta come here? Young kick boy. White men. Before white man go enter this country, he scam everybody. Before white man go enter this country, he scam everybody. Because you blacks, you know they think. You they watch appearance and they take judge. Because